looking at this fire season, we're going to get to a big number, which is 3. I'll tell you why 3 is so significant. This is not the biggest fire year Utah has ever seen in terms of sheer acreage, at least not yet. We will likely blow past the record because there's a lot of fire season to go, but it is already the biggest fire year ever in a new and an important way. The University of Utah scientists put out this information last week, which will get us to that number, 3. 2026 has already surpassed any previously recorded year in terms of woodland and forest burned. Woodlands are the shorter trees like juniper and all the gamble or scrub oak around my childhood home in the foothills of Weber County. Now, forests are those high elevation pines and aspens. Now, about 23% of Utah has trees in the form of woodland or forest, and those trees hold soil in place, they provide critical wildlife habitat, and they adorn landscapes we all love. Most of Utah's biggest wildfires in terms of acres have been in grass and shrubs. They're called rangeland fires, like the Milford Flats fire, the biggest ever in Utah, burned more than 350,000 acres in 2007. Now that's why we haven't passed 2007 as the biggest fire year by acreage. We sit at 514,000 acres so far this year. Compare that to nearly 650,000 acres in 2007. But this year's fires have destroyed more structures, and we've lost 2 people fighting them. So with all of these huge numbers, why am I focusing on the number 3? Because since 1986, Utah has had 7 fires that burned more than 60,000 acres of trees. We're talking about woodland and forest. So 7 of them in 40 years, 3 of them are still burning right now. Babylon, Cottonwood, and Widemouth 2. In studio, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.